Keep it moving. Every step is moving. Now right shoulder's back. Now right knee, left arm. That's it. Turn around. Walk, 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 walk. Right knee, left arm, push down, spot. All right. Suji. Go moving, every step moving. Now right knee, left arm, focus your eyes. Now turn around, look this way, back, 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 back. Into the floor. Okay. Just go away. I mean, how much short memory do you have? What is wrong with most of you is you're not pushing down, you're not standing on your half toe. You're not pushing down into the floor. That's what a piqué is. Push, push, push. We do that at the bar, right? Also, your feet are going forward, so then your body, your arms are going back. They're back there. They're back there. You have to balance it, right?